I come to the cross and I met a wee lass, says I'm a wee lass, are you willing to go? Take share of the jill, she said, Sarah Walfer, I'm the wee lassie, it never said no. At St. Laelhus we merely did go, and we never did rise till the cock did crow. And it's glass after glass we merely did toast to the bonny wee lassie who never said no. The landlady opened the door and come in with a smile. She left a chair with freedom and air. Here is health to the lass who can jag it in style. Oh, bring us some liquors, lassie, she cried, to cheer up his spirits, I do dear low. And it's no what you'll do, bring a bottle or two to the bonny wee lassie who never said no. The drink they took and been the best of the gin, me being myself and sober to be. And it's glass after glass the merely did toast to the lass, and the landlady felt herself full. Look into my pocket, the lassie, she said, you are 2 and 6 to pay for your bed. And for laying me down, you owe me a crown. Look into my pocket, the lassie, she said. I put my hand in her pocket and pipe on a took. Says I to myself, I will bundle and go. And I bade her goodbye, but she made no reply, the bonny wee lassie who never said no.